Welcome to the farm today, where animals work and play. Welcome to the farm, hooray! They have so much to say. The red rooster crows, cock-a-doodle-doo, waking up me and you. The red rooster's so proud and true, his feathers red and blue. The little pink pig goes oink, 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 rolling in the mud, don't think. The little pink pig, a happy link, he doesn't even blink.
Farmyard Friends, loud and clear, we love to have you here. Farmyard Friends, let us cheer, your sounds are sweet to hear.
The fluffy sheep goes ba ba ba, in the field not too far. The fluffy sheep, her wool ajar, she's like a shining star. The brown cow gives milk white and cold, a story often told. The brown cow, so brave and bold, worth more than gold. The farmer brings them food and hay at the break of day. They thank him in their own special way for making their day okay.
Crow and Oink, day is done, we've had our farmyard fun. Crow and Oink, everyone, our happy song is sung.
Moo! Ba!
Oink, fun.